Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Sign in to the Google Workspace admin console using your administrator account. Choose Domain Verification and select Verify Domain using TXT record. Copy the long TXT value shown by Google and keep it ready. Sign in to your domain registrar account and open DNS management for the domain. Add a new TXT record with host at, value exactly as copied, and TTL 3600 seconds. Save the change and return to the admin console to click Verify after DNS propagates, which can take up to 48 hours. After domain verification, enable Gmail service for your organization in admin settings. Immediately go back to your registrar DNS management and remove existing MX records to avoid conflicts. Add Google MX records exactly with the given host and priorities. 1 aspix L Google com 5 alt 1 aspix L Google com 5 alt 2 aspix L Google com 10 alt 3 aspix L Google com 10 alt 4 aspix L Google com. Set each MXTTL to 3600 seconds and save the zone changes. Allow up to 48 hours for global propagation before sending production email to verify delivery. Protect your email by publishing SBF, enabling DKIM, and adding DMARC. Create an SBF TXT record with value v equals SBF1 include SBF Google com tilde all and TTL 3600 seconds. In the admin console, open Gmail authentication and generate a DKIM key, then add the provided CNAME record at your registrar and enable signing. Finally, add a DMARC TXT record such as v equals DMARC1, p equals quarantine, pct equals 100, vua equals mailto, admin at example. Com to monitor and enforce policies. Test mail flow using online tools and Google's Check MX Diagnostics to confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.